Packing toiletries seems simple, until something explodes mid-flight, or TSA tosses your bag aside for a secondary search. One wrong move and your shampoo's soaked everything. This quick guide shows you how to pack toiletries the right way, avoid TSA issues, and protect your luggage from leaks and mess. Start by using a clear, quart-sized zip-top bag for carry-on toiletries. TSA's 311 rule allows each passenger to bring one bag with liquids in containers no larger than 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. If it doesn't fit in that quart-sized bag, it should go in your checked luggage. Use travel-sized containers for items like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion. Silicone squeeze bottles are the safest. They're durable, reusable, and less likely to burst due to cabin pressure. Avoid hard plastic bottles with flip caps. Those tend to crack or leak more often. Before sealing a bottle, remove a small amount of liquid to leave space for air expansion. Then, double seal the cap with plastic wrap or tape and place each bottle in a Ziploc snack bag for extra protection. Spills happen, but this method keeps it contained. Solid toiletries can save space and avoid liquid limits entirely. Solid shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and lotion sticks work just as well and don't count toward your liquid allowance. Pack them in a dry container or wrap them in wax paper to prevent melting or smudging. For checked luggage, use a dedicated toiletry bag with compartments. Always choose one that's water-resistant or lined with plastic. Heavier liquids should go toward the bottom of your suitcase, and every bottle should be wrapped or bagged to prevent spills from spreading. Electric items like razors or toothbrushes should be stored in a hard case, especially in checked baggage. If battery-powered, remove the batteries or lock the switch to avoid accidental activation. Prescription medications should always stay in your carry-on, clearly labeled. Keep them in their original containers if possible, and pack them in a separate pouch for easy access during security checks. A smooth trip starts with a spill-free suitcase and a stress-free security check. By organizing your toiletries the right way, using TSA-approved sizes, and protecting your items with a few smart packing tricks, you'll fly through airport lines and land without the mess. For more travel tips to make your next journey smoother, subscribe to Next Journey Guide. Safe travels.